Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a brick oven. Brick ovens transform your cooking, infusing dishes with an authentic smoky flavor that's simply unmatched. They are incredibly versatile, allowing you to cook a wide array of foods, from pizzas to roasted meats. A key advantage is their exceptional heat retention, which ensures consistent cooking temperatures for extended periods. For new ovens, a gradual curing process over several. To begin, select dry, seasoned hardwoods such as oak, ash, or maple. These burn hotter and cleaner. Start with a small amount of kindling in the center, allowing it to establish a good flame. Gradually add larger logs, building the fire slowly to heat the oven evenly. For cooking pizzas, you'll want the oven dome to reach a temperature between 700 and 900 degrees Fahrenheit, which typically takes about 1 to 1.5 hours. To give your document a professional feel, consider its overall layout. You can easily insert images from your photo gallery or add simple tables with a few taps. Adjusting line spacing, perhaps to 1.5 or 2.0, and paragraph indents helps create visual breathing room. Using headings, like Heading 1 or Heading 2, also organizes your content, making it much easier to navigate. Maintaining your brick oven ensures its longevity and optimal performance. After each use, once the oven has completely cooled, sweep out any ash and food debris using a sturdy, long-handled brush. For any baked-on residue or stains, a simple solution of water and vinegar can be effective. Avoid harsh chemical cleaners, as brick is porous. Always ensure the oven is cool before beginning any cleaning to prevent injury and protect the oven's structure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.